Hello and good morning, dear students. Welcome to your online classes. Welcome to your St. Thomas School. I'm your English teacher, Siji. Today we are going to learn how to draw a sleeping line. Okay, so what do you see in this picture? A boy is sleeping. What else do you see? Do you see a standing line here? Yes, this is a standing line pattern. Do you see a sleeping line pattern here? Yes, this is your sleeping line pattern. Okay. Now, today we are going to learn how to draw a sleeping line. So what do you see in this picture? A train. And the train is moving on a railway track. And the railway track here is in a sleeping line pattern. All right. Now look at this flag. This is our national flag. And you can see a standing line pattern here. And what else? A sleeping line pattern. So this is in a sleeping line pattern. Now in this picture, a sleeping line pattern. Okay. What do you see? A sleeping line pattern with the train and also on the tracks. You can see here the sleeping line patterns. Now look at this picture of a table. You can see standing line pattern, isn't it? And now look at these. These are in a sleeping line pattern. See, isn't it? Sleeping line. All right. Now look at this. You can see the water flowing. And do you see small sleeping line patterns moving? Isn't it? What else? Here also you can see the sleeping line. Look at the hands. They are in a sleeping line pattern. Look at the eyes. They are in a sleeping line pattern, isn't it? Now look at the cars moving. What else do you see? You see sleeping line patterns on the road, isn't it? These are in a sleeping line pattern. Okay, look at this window. You can see a sleeping line pattern here also, isn't it? Now look at the gate. Do you see a sleeping line pattern here? Yes, this is your sleeping line pattern. And this is your standing line pattern, isn't it? Now, let's see how to draw a sleeping line. We start from the third line. We put a dot here and then a little far away and then we draw a straight line. That's your sleeping line, okay? So we put a dot or a point at a place and then a little far away and then we join the dots with a straight line. That's how we draw sleeping line. All right. So dear children, practice to draw the sleeping lines. Okay. You can practice with sand or salt and put your finger in it and then you can try to draw the sleeping line. Okay. So I hope you have learned how to draw a sleeping line. Have fun. Take care.